Some getaways don't feel like trips. They feel like pauses you didn't know you needed. I spent 2 beautiful days at Stonewater by Zooper in Karjat. I think I left a lighter version of myself there. Slow mornings, no alarms, just waking up to sunshine pouring into the room, dipping into the private pool before breakfast, and taking life 1 hour at a time. Then came the gaming zone, where I discovered two things. Bowling is much harder than it looks. Finishing third in Mario Kart can still feel emotionally significant. And the ambience and the food? So comforting, so good. The rooms give you a sense of stillness, a space to breathe, relax, and shut off the background noise for a while. And the people at the property were incredibly kind and welcoming. It reminded me that sometimes the little things are the things that matter the most. The property is spread across 23 acres, giving you plenty of space to walk among the trees. And if you get tired from all the exploring, the golf cart comes to your rescue. This stay felt less like a vacation and more like a reset. And maybe that's exactly what I needed. Maybe it's what you need too.
Want to go to Bali but can't right now? Here's a perfect tropical getaway that feels exactly like Bali, just 2 hours from Mumbai. This resort truly transports you to Bali. From the food to the pool, the entire vibe, it feels like luxurious tropical vacation abroad. I absolutely loved everything about this place. The 2 days we stayed here were amazing. We had the most delicious breakfast and woke up to the calmest forest views. The pool was definitely the highlight, but everything from the gaming zone to the cutesy little bar was just perfect. Our room had a private pool and an outdoor shower, making the whole experience feel even more special. Since the property is massive, they even had a buggy service to take you around. The lush greenery all around and the peaceful tropical vibe made it feel like we had escaped straight to Bali. The food was incredible, especially the international cuisine like nasi goreng, which exactly tastes like the one I had in Bali. There's also a beautiful river flowing inside the property, which adds so much charm and makes the whole place feel even more serene and magical. If you're traveling with family, they also have a kids playing zone for toddlers, making it a perfect getaway for everyone. If you have no plans for this long weekend, this is
Hey, listen, I found this place in Karjat and I had to tell you. It's called Stonewater by Zooper, just 2 3 hours from Mumbai or Pune, but it doesn't feel like it. There's a river right next to you, insane greenery, layered pools, even a gaming zone. They even have bowling. I mean, insane, right? And you know me, I don't go to places that are just hype, but this one actually felt nice. Also, small things. The curtains literally open with a touch. Everything just works, and the hospitality is top notch. You feel taken care of all the time. Food is sorted, actually good, not just pretty. Prices start at around 13K for two big meals, which honestly feels worth it for a proper weekend plan, birthday, or even a cute date. I had one of those slow, easy days here. Good food, good space, no rush, but chilly curry tea. If you've been saying we need to go somewhere, this is
Mumbaikars, you have to check this out. A Bali style layered pool in Karjat in this all new resort that will literally blow your mind. Welcome to Stonewater Resort and Spa by Zooper, a massive luxury escape spread across a huge property designed to give you full Bali vibes. They have 5 different room categories, but wait for it. Almost every room comes with either a private pool, a stunning lake view, or even a beautiful garden view. Tell me if this isn't a dream staycation already. And it doesn't stop there. 2 spacious banquet halls for celebrations, a super fun game zone, a river to enjoy the sunset, and a gorgeous poolside restaurant and bar perfect for sundowners and parties. But my personal favorite, this banyan tree restaurant, it looks so stunning and aesthetic. So if you're planning a romantic getaway, family trip, or even a luxury celebration, this property needs to be on your list.
All new Bali style resort, Stonewater by Zupa. This is not just a resort, it's a mini city situated in Karjat. As you can see, they have a small map. This resort is spread across 23 acres with 22 pools room, 2.5 hours from Mumbai. Let's go on a drive. It is a riverfront property with nature views, great for couples, family and group tour. And yes, it's popular for destination wedding with event lawn and banquet space. At Banyan Brew Restaurant, dining became an experience in itself. Sat beside a majestic old banyan tree for those chasing tropical vacation energy. As you can see, the interior is purely Bali style. They have a huge space for indoor games and relaxation zone where you can enjoy some quality time with your kids and have fun. So, best time to visit this place is monsoon, that is June to September, with some lush greeneries and waterfall, and also winter, October to February. Best weather for pool and outdoor stay. The main highlight of the resort is the Bali style 2-tier infinity pool. As you can see, the night view is superb. So if you want to have some good time, do visit this place, Stonewater by Zupa. Details I am leaving in caption.